What are we playing with today? Jewelry activity?
Yeah.
What are you gonna make?
It's a necklace.
Let me see it. Let's see what else we have here. What do you want to start on first?
Start, this one
What color is that?
is,
Purple.
and
Okay.
I want yellow.
You want to do yellow?
Yeah.
Let me see the yellow. Ooh, you like Mulan, right?
Yeah.
Did you like the new movie?
Yeah. And the eye one.
And the other one?
Yeah.
The other one meaning the cartoon?
Yeah, it's an old dragon, like Cinderella.
What was his name? The dragon.
Nushu. Aya. Aya put in the water.
What color's her hair? Tell me.
Red. Then the outcolor is
Okay. So you're gonna start out with the yellow one. Which princess are you going to make a necklace?
I made this one, Cinderella one.
Okay, nice.
Let's do it.
Push it in. Yep.
One,
Let me see it. Once you, yep. Oh, you got it. Okay. Pull it through. Hold the bead with one hand. Yep. Keep doing another one. Here, do a heart one.
heart one.
The heart one.
Thank you.
You got it?
The heart thing, boom, boom. Let's do it. I'm gonna put the bean in.
Okay. Now if you want to put, yep.
It'll be purple. To make that go down there.
Wow, let me see this. Let me see.
There's pencil on there on my neck. I did it. Thank you on my channel. Bye.
Be sure to subscribe to Didi and MJ's Toy Adventures.